Alright. It is Saturday afternoon. We are 3.3 miles from the ocean buoy. About 7 miles from the ocean buoy, Ossabaw Sound. We saw this thunderstorm approaching. We've reefed the main. Go to main. We have furled almost all the way. The field line's locked down to keep that. Right now, the lead edge has already passed over us. We were having a pretty good darn time sailing until all that happened. Joe went forward and reefed the main, did an outstanding friggin' job, I might add. We're trying to make it to Ossabaw Sound. I hope this thing's going to slide over the distance. The seas, as you can see, are a little confused right now because the storm is coming from the opposite direction of our prevailing wind. Oh, I'm sorry. So what we're looking at right now, hard to tell, but they're probably the seas are probably 3 foot even, kind of easy, and occasionally we're seeing some 4 to 6 footers. We had one that came over, crashed over the back of the boat, or just barely made it to the back of the boat. That was about it. Well, we feel like we're ready. This is just standard storm procedure if you're out at sea and a thunderstorm comes along. Obviously, we're hoping we miss the lightning. We hope we got the sails down enough to have some strong wind and ride it out. That's about all we can do right now. Try to where the water won't be quite so bad.